Never fails, never fails. What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming to you guys with a brand new video. Steering wheel's in the way. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas, and we're really doing this. This is the longest that I've ever uploaded. Ever. 4 different days. I haven't even done like 2 days back to back. So we're on day 4. We're doing Vlogmas this year, man. We're really doing it. As you can tell by the title, we have a new lip and new side skirts that we're gonna be installing today. They're in my Tesla. But before we do that, me and Nancy are gonna go get some coffee because we're both off today. And I wake up so early where I can't really get coffee. So we're gonna go get some coffee. We're gonna hop in her car. I'm just moving this to the driveway. I finally have been saying that I needed to get a lip kit for this car, and I finally got one. So I'm super excited. Damn, Performance Model Y Reach. She reach with the white interior. Reach. Yeah, who's sitting here?
No, I just adjusted it.
Oh, it does that?
Apparently.
Maybe
No,
one of them, doesn't it? Oh.
But it just goes, like from this to like, did you tell them that mine's a faster one? Did you tell them that mine is faster than yours?
No, I did not.
It's faster.
It's not. Okay. It is. I'll give you that one.
By 1 second.
If you don't know how to drive, so then driver mod.
It's a Tesla. Oh look.
I know, they've been in there. Such a nice house.
Babe, don't put their house on there.
Gotta put y'all on game. Hey, you wanna get me copyrighted? Gotta put you on game, man. If y'all ever in the OC area, here come the aroma. She be mad busy though. So I get the ube coffee. She gets pandan. Then we got that matcha.
And we haven't tried their matcha before, but matcha and quarter zips. We gotta try.
Anybody wearing quarter zips around here?
If I zip this up quarter way,
Okay.
does it count?
No.
Every time. It hits every time. You guys are gross. Everybody who drinks matcha is gross. It's not bad. It's not good.
Feels like grass. Alright, finally made it back home. I have the lip and the side skirt in the Tesla here, so we'll pull everything out and show you what we got. Got a rear lip, some side skirts, a front lip. I'm a little skeptical about it because nobody really runs this front lip, but I decided that's why I'm gonna run it. Nobody really runs it. I'll show you guys what it is. A Jay's Racing style front lip, and like I said, not many people run it, so that's why I'm interested in running it. A lot of people either run like the Mugen or the HFP. And I'll be real, I'm not paying for an HFP lip. So it's a J style front lip from Icon Motorsports. Nothing too crazy, pretty simple. I don't really like any of the lips for the US front end, so that's why I kind of just went with something nobody has. I'm gonna kind of mock this up on the car and see how it looks.
Oh, this used to have a lip, huh?
Yeah. Kind of got the lip a little test fitted on. Obviously anything that is not OEM isn't going to fit 100%. As you can see, there's a little gap right there, but it doesn't look bad. I actually kind of like it. It's like subtle, but there's a lip. Okay. I wish it hung a little bit lower, but it's fine.
I said that in my head, but I didn't think that would make sense.
It's alright.
So you know what that means? Go lower.
Yep. Now I'm gonna try the side skirts on. What I'm really excited for is this rear lip. I think the rear lip on this car just completely transforms the entire car. I think I'm actually gonna test these on first. I wasn't gonna test fit them, but I think so. We got the rear test fitted on, just holding it on with some tape, but doesn't look bad. I actually kind of like it. I like how it makes it look lower. It's kind of hard for you guys to tell, but makes it look a little bit lower. So not too shabby. That I'm obviously gonna get repainted. So the OEM color, side skirts I gotta paint, lip I have to paint, everything I gotta paint. And if you're asking me if I know how to paint anything, no, not at all. Never painted anything before. But if you guys ever want to know what your paint code is, it's always gonna be right there. There's the paint code. I'm always gonna have to clean up all the glue and the 3M tape that's all under there. So that's why I really didn't care about tipping this up too much. But it doesn't look bad. Makes it actually look a lot lower. Look at this. Ooh. We gotta make sure we triple secure that. But now we're gonna test fit the side skirts. I'm only gonna test fit one on this side just because I want to see how low it looks. And we got the side skirt put on. This one's the basic one. Everyone kind of runs the side skirt, so not really stressed about this one, but doesn't look bad. It makes it look just a tad bit lower. You guys can see right there. So I'm pretty excited. I'm really excited about the rear lip. It just makes it look a little bit more aggressive, which I like. Not too shabby, not too shabby. I'm gonna look up how to paint everything and see if I can get to paint somewhere local. Maybe we can paint the side skirts today. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. But if you guys are wondering about the interior, the smell is gone. It actually smells really good in here. Super excited about that. So interior is done. I do want to take these off. Just like cracking here. This side's coming apart. No, that's what we're gonna do. I've been wanting to take these off since I got it. Today is the day they come off. Dirty. Dirty. Got them off. I am gonna get some new ones. Just when they're less janky. You like it? She doesn't like the lip. Okay. Alright, so sadly the paint for the car won't be coming until Monday. So we're just pretty much gonna have to wait. But it looks pretty good. Kind of want to back it up a little bit, get it in the sun, and see how it looks that way. But yeah, paint should be coming on Monday. So what I'm probably gonna do is the side skirts first, because those will probably be easiest. Front lip and then rear lip. So expect those videos to come out pretty soon. Yeah, I don't know. I like the rear lip, and I'm glad it's painted black, because at least this part, like the little diffuser part right here, I won't have to paint. It's just painting around it. That might be the issue. So I don't know. It looks good though. What I'm gonna do is take off the rear lip, get all that gunk off of there. But just imagine color painted, color matched. It'll look really good. Looks super, super good. I'm gonna go ahead and move the Tesla so I can get the Civic turned around the other way. Vlogmas, man. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. There's a lot of new subscribers coming in, so if you guys are brand new here, if you guys are new and not subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, man. We're doing Vlogmas this year. I'm trying my best to upload every single day for you guys, and it's been pretty fun. I've never uploaded this much before, so this is all very new to me, but we're having a lot of fun here. Wait, the lighting in this car is pretty good. Why don't I vlog in here? What the? Anywho, yeah, I'm super excited for Vlogmas. Like I said, if you guys are brand new here, you guys are not subscribed, you guys like 8 gens, come follow your boy. So come subscribe. We got a lot of things to do for my 8 gen, and I'm super, super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the Civic flipped around, get some of that gunk off of there, and then we'll go from there. Chad, I found the method. We use this, and where's the spray at? Just had it. All right, glue gun, plastic scraper, and all I'm pretty much doing is getting it in between there, like this, and then just scraping back and forth. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but you guys can see it coming off. Just like that, and then I have a rubber wheel. I'll just probably go back and clean it up. Luckily, the lip is going to cover all of that, so I'm not too worried about it. Nice. Not crazy worried about it, but at least I found the method here. So I'm going to go ahead and do everything. Show you guys when it's all done. Alright, I got a good majority of it off. I just pretty much just went for all the big pieces. Now it's just pretty much just the thinnest part of it left. I try to use the rubber wheel, but it doesn't seem like it's working too well, so I'm just gonna let that be for now. It's kind of frustrating that that's even there, but it's all good. We got most of it off. Hopefully the lip can still fit. I gotta get all the adhesive off the lip. So you can see all right there, still has 3M tape on it, so hopefully we can get that off, and then we'll be good to paint for Monday. I gotta get all this stuff off too. Is this? Oh yeah, no it's not. That might have been carbon fiber before. Maybe I shouldn't have did that. Oops. Huh, it'll come up anyways. Kind of corny. Yeah, car's coming along good. I'm excited.